Hi everyone, if you've done the Improve Maths activities, you would have got a result like this. And this is what I like to see, students having a go and giving me an opinion of how confident they are of their answer. These are very important things. Now when you get your results, where you've not got it right, and that sometimes happens, you've got another activity to go to. So if you click on the link in your results, it will take you to a program called Scootle. Now Scootle doesn't work on iPads or iPhones, but what it does, it gives you learning activities to help you. Now I haven't got all of this here, but for example, enter a number greater than 10 and less than 30. I'm going to go with 25 because that's a nice number. And then I go next. There are my instructions, and the whole idea is this activity is designed to help you with the idea that you didn't quite get right on that test. Now really what we're doing is doing do-it-yourself maths, DIY maths. So when you do the Improve activity, make sure that you come out of your test results, click the link and learn about how to improve the question that you got wrong. Thank you very much.